Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today topic is a new topic, continuity and differentiation. Continuity and differentiation. Very first, before starting continuity and differentiation, now let me recall what is the definition of limits. See, already we have learned limits in first year class. Just I will give the by taking example, the definition. For example, if I consider the function f of x is x plus 2, condition x less than or equal to 1 and 2 plus x greater than 1. Okay. And next another one function I will take, f of x is x plus 2, condition x greater than 1. Correct. And 2 minus x if x less than 1 and mention verify limit exists or we have to verify. See, in limit we know that there are two limits are exist. One is left hand limit as well as right hand limit. For left hand limit always we consider less than the what is given value. Right hand limit means more than what is the given value. Okay. See, very first left hand limit LHL limit as verification for the given value is what? 1. Therefore, we are writing limit as x tends to 1 minus means 1 minus means it is understood that it is less than 1. Then the function f of x limit as x tends to 1 minus see less than 1 which function here x plus 2 we are applying here x plus 2. And substitute the value of 1 plus 2. What is the value? 3. Next, RHL. Okay, RHL limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x. Correct. 1 plus means it is more than 1. Okay. Therefore, we are applying here limit as x tends to 1 plus. Okay. For more than 1, see, more than 1, the function is 2 plus x. Then apply 2 plus 1, what will get it is? Means here, left hand limit value as well as right hand limit value, both are similar. Then we say that the function f of x as limit exists at x equal to 1 or what we say that at x tends to 1. X is nearer to 1. In this case, which one is existed? Limit exists. Okay. Next, just concentrate another function. See, apply left hand limit LHL limit as x tends to 1 minus. Okay. Then f of x limit as x tends to 1 minus less than 1 is 2 minus x. Then substitute 2 minus 1. What will it is 1. Next, RHL. RHL is limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x. Limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x is what? X plus 2. Apply 1 plus 2. What will it is 3. Is both are equal? Is it LHL equal to RHL? Just concentrate here. LHL is 1, RHL is 3. Is both are equal? No. Therefore, here which one does not exist? Limit does not exist. Remember that if limit exists, we know that LHL equal to RHL. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. By knowing this, now we will define what is the definition of continuous function. For that, just I will give the diagram here. This is a point where it exists. Limit as x tends to a plus. Here, limit as x tends to a minus. But the function exists. Next. Limit as x tends to a minus, limit as x tends to a plus. Next, limit as the function x tends to a f of x. Okay, and next here in this case. Here limit as x tends to a f of x. Here limit as x tends to a minus f of x. Here limit as x tends to a plus f of x. Okay. In this case, we'll get the answer. Okay. Just concentrate here. Here limit as x tends to a minus. This is the value of f of x. And here limit as x tends to a plus. This is the value of f of x. Just concentrate. If both values are similar, for example, if I take here, the value is here. For example, if I take it is 1, and here upside it goes on increasing. Say it is 4. Is LHL equal to RHL here? Is both are coincide? No. Therefore, here we say that LHL is not equal to RHL. Just concentrate. By seeing the picture, we can say that here LHL is not equal to RHL. Next, concentrate here. This is LHL value. This is RHL value. Is it both are similar? Is it both are similar? No. Therefore, here we can write LHL is not equal to RHL. And just consider this is also not equal to limit of the function, limit x tends to a f of x. Just concentrate here. See, this is the LHL value, this is the RHL value, this is the where the limit function exists. In all the three cases, they are not equal. Have you understood? See, if LHL is not equal to RHL, then also we say that the function is not continuous. If LHL is not equal to RHL, RHL is also not equal to the given function, then we say that it is not a continuous function. Okay, and next, just concentrate here. Just concentrate here. I will take another function. For example, this is limit as x tends to a minus. This is limit as x tends to a plus. This is limit as x tends to a. In this case, just concentrate. In this case, what happens? See, limit as x tends to a minus. This is the value. Limit as x tends to a plus, as limit x tends to a. In both the cases, see the graph of this function equal. Means here LHL equal to RHL equal to limit as x tends to a f of x. In both the cases, you get the answer is same. You can say that the constant answer is yes. Similarly, we get for both left hand, right hand, as well as limit as x tends to a. Then, if LHL equal to RHL, RHL equal to limit as x tends to a f of x is L, then we say that the given function f of x is continuous at x equal to a. Remember that. Then we say that function is continuous if LHL equal to RHL equal to limit of the function at x tends to a is L. In all the three cases, we get the same result. Then we say that function is continuous. Otherwise, if any one condition fails, that is LHL, first condition, LHL is not equal to RHL, or second condition, LHL equal to RHL, but this one is not equal to limit of the function x tends to a f of x, or third condition, LHL is not equal to RHL, and this one is also not equal to limit extends to A. F of x, in all the three cases, function f of x is not continuous at x equal to A. Understood? When we say that function f of x is continuous at x is equal to A, if LHL equal to RHL equal to limit extends to A, f of x equal to L, then only function is continuous. If LHL is not equal to RHL, or LHL is equal to RHL, but if this one is not equal to the limit of the function, or in all the three cases they are not equal, already given by using the graph how we define, then we say that function is not continuous. Means we know that the continuous functions are LHL equal to RHL equal to the given function f of x at x equal to A, or else particular definition we say that particular definition a function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to A if limit extends to A, f of x equal to, if you substitute x is A, what it is f of A, or else you can say that it is a constant L. Then we say that the function is continuous, otherwise it is discontinuous. Okay. And next, just concentrate here. We will take another graph of the functions. That is like this. And next, these are the functions. See, here this is, you assume that left hand, this is right hand. Is both are equal? No. Means one value is jumped to another value. Means jumping functions. Remember that? Jumping functions are not continuous. Jumping functions are not continuous functions. See, this is one and this is another one. Both the values are not similar. Next, take. See, here also, see the sharp edges like this. The sharp edges functions are also not continuous functions. I think by seeing the graph we can say that the function is not continuous function. Next, see the graph of this function. Is there any link between the graph? Is there any link? There is no link. Means we say that breaking functions are not continuous functions. Okay, remember that jumping functions, breaking functions are not continuous functions. In CET they will give, by giving the graph, they are giving the options. Is the given function is continuous? Then in that case you have by seeing the graph you can say that is the function is continuous or not. Okay. In this way we can say that the definition of function. Next I will take one example based on that. The given example is if f of x, discuss the continuity of the function. It is mentioned, discuss the continuity of the function. Discuss the continuity of the function. If f of x is given x plus 2, condition x less than or equal to 1, x minus 2, condition x greater than 1. See, for this always we are applying left hand limit, right hand limit and limit of the function. See, left hand limit, LHL limit as extends to the limit part is what here 1 minus, correct. Next right hand limit RHL limit as extends to 1 plus, correct. Next we are applying limit as extends to 1 equal to 1 nearer to 1 in that case. See, f of x less than 1 where it exists here, and the corresponding function is this. Therefore we are applying limit as extends to 1 minus x plus 2. Apply, substitute here 1 plus 2, whatever it is. Next, for more than 1 is x minus 2. X minus 2, limit as extends to 1 plus 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 means minus 1. By applying limit we need not to worry the application of limit. Next, limit as extends to 1 equal to 1 is exist out in the first case, correct. Therefore we are applying limit as extends to 1 equal to 1 also exists in the first case. We can write x plus 2, we get what is 1 plus 2, we get 2. But see, is LHL equal to RHL? No, LHL is not equal to RHL. If LHL is not equal to RHL, therefore the function f of x is not continuous at x equal to 1. We say that the function is continuous if and only if LHL equal to RHL equal to limit of the function at x equal to 1. Are you understood? In this way, you can calculate. Next example. Next example is f of x is equal to mod x. That is condition mentioned x greater than 0 minus x less than 0 equal to 0. Okay, this is the given example. Mod x. Okay, see here we are applying left hand limit LHL. Limit as extends to, see, 1 minus left hand. But we are not taking 1, we are taking, what is the given limit here? 0. Therefore, what is given, that one we have to write. Remember that, here 0. Therefore, this we can write 0 minus f of x. Means we have to take less than 0. Okay, limit as extends to 0 minus. What is less than 0 value? See, less than 0 is minus x. Again, minus x. And this is minus 0. Minus 0 nothing but negative. 0. Because for 0 there is no negative positive value. Next, RHL. Limit as extends to 0 plus f of x. Correct? Limit as extends to 0 plus. For plus means what? More than 0. More than 0, value is what? X. Then what is your x? X is 0. This is 0. Next, already given, limit extends to 0, f of x at x equal to 0. What is the value? See. Means in all the three cases, let's concentrate, in all the three cases, LHL equal to RHL equal to limit extends to 0, f of x, what is the value? 0 only. In all the three cases it is 0. Means is the function continuous or discontinuous? Yes, tell me, function continuous or discontinuous? We know that in all the three cases we get the similar value, then we say that function is continuous function. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Remember that modulus of x is a which type of function? Continuous function. Mod x is a continuous function. Okay. This is another one example how we can apply. And for continuity, in exam they will give completely 4 marks question. only continuity, based on continuity, the example based on 4 marks, okay, and that one is fixed, and that 4 marks question is existing part E, that is 6 plus 4, okay, and fixed question. And next one I will take another one example. See, another one example. F of x is mod x by x. F of x is mod x by x. That is the given example. Discuss the continuity of the function mentioned. Very first step is we have to apply mod x definition. Okay, we have to apply mod x, and we know that for mod x, condition x greater than 0, minus x less than 0, equal to 0, it is 0. We have to apply here. Okay. Next, I will apply here for more than 0. For more than 0, mod x is x by x. What will get? It is 1. Correct. Next, for less than 0. For less than 0, what is the value? Minus x. Means instead of mod x, we are writing minus x by x. What will get? Minus 1. Okay. And next, and this is what will get? It is 0. At x equal to 0, it is you get 0 nearer to 0. See, his LHL, just concentrate, his LHL, that is limit as x tends to 0 minus f of x, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. What is the value? That is x by x will get what? 1. Next, RHL, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. What is the value? Already it is there, I will write directly minus 1. Means LHL is not equal to RHL. Correct? LHL is not equal to RHL. Is the function continuous? No, of course. Therefore, the given function f of x is not continuous at x equal to 0. Are you understood? Okay, in this way we can calculate so many number of examples. Okay, they will give the examples based on verify or discuss the continuity of the function if the function is mentioned, or else they will give the function is continuous, find the value of a, k, like that. And that type of examples are asked in the exam for 4 marks question. I hope understood everyone for basic idea of continuity. Thank you.